Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your voice on Discord. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google Clownfish voice changer, and you need to download this for your PC. So I already download and install this. So you need to go down, click on download now, and here you need to click on download for PC, and you need to select according to your window. So once you download that, here you can see Clownfish. So then you simply need to click on set voice changer, and from here you can select anyone. So once you selected,
Now your voice will be changed.
okay, and after that you need to go on to the Discord, open Discord, and you need to log in into your Discord account. So wait for a few seconds. Okay, here you need to click on this icon, user settings, and then you need to click on voice and video. From here you need to select clownfish. You need to click on the thing for which you have the access of the clownfish, and after that your voice will be changed for Discord. So this is the process how you can change your voice on Discord. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.